Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and we're here in Tampa today for the start of a bathroom remodel that I'm super excited about because this customer actually got in touch with us via Facebook because they had seen all of our great work on Facebook, and now we're recording a video for Facebook about their bathroom remodel. How meta is that? So it's not a crazy job. It's not one of these things where we're going out and tearing out all the walls and everything. We did take out the flooring, the tub, but it's really a cosmetic remodel. But this is a very good opportunity for us to show how quickly we can turn out a bathroom. I think this one is gonna be less than 2 weeks. I told the customers 3, don't tell them. But hopefully we'll be out of here even earlier than we promised, and it'll be a sick bathroom, so let's jump in there. Okay, so demo is pretty much complete. As you can see, everything's basically out. We're down to just the mud bed floor. The tub is totally gone. They have these terrible overhead soffits with the fluorescent lights in it. Our electrician is gonna be here tomorrow. We're gonna convert that to a single wall mount light centered over the vanity. We're changing out the vent fan so it'll be quieter, but the medicine cabinets are being blocked in, drywalled over just because they're kind of outdated. Nobody really likes the look of medicine cabinets anymore. Over on this side of the bathroom, we're actually eliminating 2 of the doors. We're gonna drywall around them and they'll just be finished drywall openings. And then on this side of the door, the customer actually has a carpenter who they know really well who's gonna hang a barn door for them. Really, this is a pretty basic bathroom remodel, but this is kind of our bread and butter. So I'm trying to show more of them. So this is a great opportunity to show you more of these. So the original intent for this bathroom was us to get video through the whole entire process because in a kind of a meta ironic sense, the Schneiders actually found us through our Facebook videos. Unfortunately, schedules don't always line up, so our videographers couldn't always make it on the days at the critical points like the tile on the walls, on the floor, the vanity, stuff like that. But we are so pleased with the way this bathroom turned out. It's beautiful. Our employees did a great job. The Schneiders were super accommodating as far as scheduling goes, great people to work with, and you'll get to hear a little bit from them about how they feel about everything.
My experience working with Home Love Construction has been excellent. Communication working with Brad and all the fellows that have been showing up at the house has been awesome. We've always been up to date on what's going on from day to day, any issues that they came across. Brad was always texting us at night, answering any questions that we had, whether it was 8, 9 o'clock at night. That's always appreciated. And the quality of work they put into their craftsmanship is excellent.
I think one of the biggest kudos that I can give you guys is definitely the timeline. I know we were working very closely in having everything done before my family would arrive, so we appreciate you guys working around that, specifically keeping us on those smaller details whenever we kicked in our OCD and wanted to make sure that everything was at the right place. Every single person that we interacted was completely professional. They knew everything right away. Every single question I had or he had, they would automatically know how to understand us and at the same time speak our own language because everybody has a different lingo, so we appreciate that.
I'm just very grateful to be able to have the opportunity to do stuff like this in people's homes. You know, it's very personal when you're in someone's home and you're, you know, demolishing everything and they trust you that, okay, now you got to put it back and it's got to be right. That's a big responsibility and we are happy to shoulder that responsibility. That's something that I take on gladly. Thank you for watching this vid. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, like our Facebook page, Home Love Construction on Facebook. Share this video. I'd really appreciate it. We want more people to see our stuff so that we get more customers. The more we bring in, the more we can make, the more we can show you, help you out, inform you, all that good stuff. Like the page. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.